So athenaHealth helped us today put together 200 of these cleaning bags, and these bags are going to go to folks who are formerly homeless, who are moving into their own home for the first time.
When we get our employees involved, working together, we foster connections, we strengthen our relationships, and we make connections with the community that we might not have had otherwise.
athenaHealth has worked with us for many, many years, volunteered, supported us financially. We can't do our work without partnerships in the community, and athenaHealth is right up there as a leading partner.
Wasn't that a lot of fun? Yeah. All right. That's the Athena spirit. You know, it was really special to get a chance to participate with you folks today. So thank you so much for all you do for Boston and for these people. And as part of this, we didn't want to just donate baskets and do some work. We also wanted to present you with a donation. So on behalf of athenaHealth, we want to provide you with a $10,000 check to support the mission.